A federal judge throws out the lawsuit brought by the controversial owners of Johnson's Pond against the state.
The owners challenged a Rhode Island law passed 2 years ago gives the state final say on the water levels at the Coventry Pond. The I-Team's Brian Crandall has the latest in this long-running saga. Brian?
Patrice and Jean, there's a lot happening with the pond this week. The judge's ruling comes just days before the end of an important agreement on how the pond can be used. Dismissed. A federal judge puts an end to Social Holdings' lawsuit against the state. The local family company sued the Rhode Island Department of Environmental Management in 2022, challenging the state law signed by the governor that summer, requiring the pond owners to get DEM permission to raise and lower water levels. And DEM subsequently found Socia in violation of that law. State Senator Lou Raptakis was among those who pushed for those rules.
It's a win for the state of Rhode Island, but we still have a lot of work to do.
The judge wrote Socia did not make any factual allegations to show the new law was, quote, unreasonable or unnecessary to protect an important public interest. Socia's lawyer tells me they will appeal and will keep fighting to protect their property rights. The new law was a response to residents' complaints about Socia after they bought the pond's dam and water rights 2 years earlier. Residents complained Socia was manipulating water levels at times, leaving boats and wildlife stuck in the mud. Socia's lawyer has adamantly argued all along that they've acted within the rights of a lease with the town of Coventry, which allows recreational use of the water. That 15-year lease is set to expire at the end of this week. Socia had warned residents to get their docks and boats out of the water. Earlier this month, the town of Coventry filed a court motion seeking preemptively to stop Socia from potentially draining the pond by altering or removing the dam when the lease ends.
There's still a lot of probably more litigation that's going to occur. There's a lot of moving parts.
Now, Socia's lawyer tells me the claim that they may destroy the dam or remove it is blatant misrepresentation, and he told me he does not anticipate anything dramatic happening when the lease runs out at the end of this week. The lawyer for the town, meanwhile, is holding a press conference tomorrow. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.